welcome to Silverback Product Training. My name is Michael Mills, I'm the Product Manager here at Silverback, and today I want to talk about this ERK or Emergency Response Kit for drivers who are carrying dangerous goods here within Australia. Silverback has taken the opportunity to manufacture a bag that meets all the requirements that are needed for carrying dangerous goods here in Australia. As you can see, this bag is light enough and fit into your truck if you're carrying dangerous goods. This bag has all the right information written on there. It has a unique code up the front here, which is this particular one is 3426, which when we sell this kit to you, we record that number against your purchase, because there's items in here that have expiry dates and items that need to be replaced. And what we do, we make contact with you when they come up for expiry, just so you know that those items need to be replaced, and you can replace them through us, or if you're unable to get to us, at least you know you can replace them and you know that you're still up to date with this kit. So what do you get in this kit? Well, first thing, you can see that we have a security seal on the catch here, so no one can just break in and steal stuff. If you see that seal on there, you know that your items are ready to go. So let's just open it up and find out what is inside our ERK kit. So all the PPE in here is for carrying dangerous goods here in Australia. There's a hard hat. There's a 3M mask. We've got a Trinsic safe torch with batteries ready to go. A set of coveralls. High-vis vests, because you've got to put your coveralls on at night, you need a high-vis vest over top of it. Got a set of chemical gloves. Got a pair of thermal gloves. We've got a non-vented goggle, so if there's any toxins or gases, they won't get into your eyes. And each kit comes with a set of gumboots. In the side pocket with this tag, it has the first aid inside. As you open this pocket up, you'll find that we've got eye wash and a driver's first aid kit. So you can see there's a lot packed into this bag, and these items are designed by the Dangerous Goods Guide to keep you safe on the road while carrying dangerous goods. These kits can be fully customized, so if you require a breathable hood, we're stockists of Draeger breathable hoods, we can have one of them located in here as well. Or if you say, I don't need all that stuff, but I do need these things, we can custom make these kits to suit you. We also carry the Dangerous Goods Guide that can go in this pocket here as well. So I hope that this bag suits your needs. The product code for this is 25600. They're available at all our branches, off the shelf, as you see here, ready to go. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.